Hello and welcome to AI Factorial. Perplexity has recently rolled out some incredibly powerful updates, and trust me, you're going to want to see this. Whether you're looking to automate your tasks, supercharge your content creation, or explore AI like never before, Perplexity's new features are going to take your workflow to the next level. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use Perplexity's AI to search your own files, effortlessly toggle between top-tier models like Claude and GPT, and automate tasks using the all-new instructions feature. But that's not all. I'll show you how to turn your work into a stunning public blog post with just one click. Let's not forget about the game-changing Chrome extension and the brand new API features that will blow your mind. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll see why Perplexity is an AI powerhouse you'll want to get your hands on. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI facts, insights, and solutions. Let's get started. If you're new to Perplexity, head over to Perplexity AI and sign up. Up until these recent updates, I primarily used Perplexity as a powerful search engine. But with these new features, it's a full-on AI powerhouse and its untapped potential for many people. Let's dive into what's new. First up, Spaces. Imagine custom GPTs or Claude projects, but with a massive bonus, Perplexity's ability to search the web like no other. Unlike other AI models, Perplexity doesn't just process your data. It actively pulls information from the web, making it the ultimate tool for retrieval augmented generation or RAG. Here's an example. I created a space dedicated to personal development. Recently, I've been wanting to dive into business and management knowledge to level up my career. So, I uploaded PDFs of some of my favorite books and articles and added a brief description. On the free plan, you can upload up to 5 files, which is perfect for smaller PDFs, and Perplexity's AI will sift through them to answer specific questions, compare content, and pull insights from your files. Here is an example. I asked Perplexity to tell me about different types of leadership styles. It then sifts through the documents and summarized 6 types of leadership styles based on a Harvard Business Review paper I've uploaded. It gets even better. Perplexity allows you to search through your own files, and you can even access the web to pull even more data. The Pro version unlocks advanced search options. Here's the best part. Perplexity generates citations for everything it finds. Now, I know some of you might be wondering, why not just use Google's Notebook LM? While they offer similar features, Perplexity takes it a step further by combining web searches with top models like GPT and Claude, giving it unmatched versatility. Ready to automate your life? Let's talk about the instructions feature. This upgrade is a total game changer, letting you fully control your AI assistant. For example, you can use this feature for newsletter content creation. I uploaded a detailed instruction sheet for content creation, and from there, Perplexity does the heavy lifting. From generating ideas to copywriting, and even setting up SEO-friendly promotional content for social media. All I have to do is review and approve, and off you go. I'm on to the next task. This is a major time saver. One of the coolest aspects of Perplexity is its multi-model flexibility. You can choose from various AI models, including the popular GPT-4 and Claude models, Perplexity's own Sonar model based on Llama, and even xAI's Grok. This gives you the freedom and convenience to select the model that best fits your task on a single platform. Here's a tip. When uploading large files, try breaking them down into smaller chunks. For example, uploading 10 smaller PDFs is much easier for the AI model to handle than one giant file. And if you've got a table of contents, that's a game changer for navigation. Now, here's where Perplexity really blows my mind. Once you've filled your space with content, you can turn it into a public blog post with just one click. Perplexity automatically generates a beautifully organized web page with a table of contents, citations, and sources. How cool is that? Want to take it a step further? You can add custom images either manually or generated by AI and adjust the layout to match your needs. I've used this feature to create resource pages for various projects and even to answer FAQs or provide complimentary information to my newsletter comments and inquiries. Let's talk about the focus feature. Perplexity by default searches the entire web, but sometimes you need to narrow it down. For example, you might want to pull research from only academic sources or check reviews from social media. Academic focus is good for researching a topic that industry-specific. For example, you want to find out how to build large language models, and it will focus on published academic papers on the topic. As another example, with social focus, you can specifically target platforms like Reddit for authentic feedback and reviews. I find this extremely useful for product research. And don't forget about the super handy Perplexity Chrome extension. It lets you access Perplexity without ever leaving your browser. Whether you're on Wikipedia, reading a blog, or browsing a research paper, you can use the extension to search the current page or pull info from across the web. It's the perfect tool for seamless research. For example, I wanted to find out more about quantum computing, so I looked up Wikipedia. As of the time this video was made, it only covered information up to 2019, when Google and NASA announced that they had achieved quantum supremacy. With the Perplexity extension, I can open it up and search for Google's latest on quantum computing. Very quickly, I see that Google has recently unveiled a groundbreaking quantum computing chip called Willow, demonstrating remarkable capabilities. Finally, let's talk about the Perplexity API. This is where things get really exciting. The API lets you connect Perplexity to automation tools like Make.com to create powerful workflows. Imagine this: Perplexity can search for the latest trends on AI, dump the results into a Google Doc, and send it straight to your inbox. You can even set up a Google table on your Google Drive and add research topics row by row as you go, and let these automations to run on their own when detecting a new row entry, saving you time and keeping you ahead of the curve. Leave a comment below if you are interested in finding out more about these powerful setups. These are just a handful of the incredible features Perplexity offers, and I'm convinced it's one of the most powerful AI tools at the moment to add to your arsenal. Whether you're automating tasks, creating high-quality content, or doing deep research, Perplexity is built to save you time and boost your productivity. If you found this video helpful and you're ready to dive deeper into the world of AI, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights, tips, and real-world applications. Leave a comment below if you would like to share your Perplexity experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.